Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to draw a parabolic curve on AutoCAD. Parabolic curves are commonly used in engineering and architecture, so knowing how to draw them can be really useful. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new drawing. Open AutoCAD and create a new drawing. You can do this by clicking on New in the Start tab or by typing New into the command line. Choose the units you want to work with, and then click Create. Step 2. Draw the axis of the parabolic curve. Next, we need to draw the axis of the parabolic curve. To do this, type Line into the command line and then click on 2 points to create a line. This line will be the axis of the parabolic curve. Step 3. Draw the focus point. Now we need to draw the focus point of the parabolic curve. To do this, type Point into the command line and then click on the midpoint of the line we just drew. This will create a point at the midpoint. Step 4. Draw the directrix. Next, we need to draw the directrix of the parabolic curve. To do this, type X line into the command line and then click on a point above or below the axis line. This will create a horizontal line that intersects with the axis line. Step 5. Draw the parabolic curve. Now we are ready to draw the parabolic curve. Type Par into the command line and then press Enter. This will open the Parabola command. In the command line, you'll be prompted to select the focus point and the directrix. Click on the focus point and then the directrix. The parabolic curve will be created. Step 6. Modify the parabolic curve. You can modify the parabolic curve by selecting it and then using the grip points to adjust its shape. You can also use the Pedit command to edit the curve further. Outro. And there you have it. That's how to draw a parabolic curve on AutoCAD. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials.